The USS Bonhomme Richard, a name steeped in history, was a Wasp-class amphibious assault ship of the United States Navy. Commissioned in 1998, it was the fifth ship to bear the name, honoring John Paul Jones's famous frigate from the Revolutionary War. This modern vessel was capable of carrying helicopters, Harrier jets, and later F-35B Lightning II stealth fighters, serving as a versatile force projection platform. With a displacement of over 40,000 tons, the Bonhomme Richard was an integral part of America's naval operations, often functioning as a small aircraft carrier. Tragically, this historic vessel was lost to one of the most devastating peacetime shipboard fires in U.S. Navy history, which broke out on July 12, 2020, while the ship was docked for maintenance. The fire raged for 4 days, causing damage so extensive that repairing the ship would have cost over $3 billion. Ultimately, the Navy decided to decommission and scrap the vessel, marking a somber end to its storied career. The USS Bonhomme Richard was designed to support amphibious operations by delivering Marines and their equipment to contested shores. It featured a well deck for landing craft, a flight deck for rotary and fixed-wing aircraft, and advanced medical facilities to support missions far from home. Measuring 844 feet in length and manned by a crew of over 1,000 sailors, the ship could also transport approximately 1,800 Marines. Its cutting-edge capabilities and role as a key element of the Navy's expeditionary warfare made it a critical asset. The ship underwent several upgrades during its service life, including modifications to accommodate the F-35B's unique vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. These upgrades further enhanced its operational versatility, allowing it to adapt to evolving military needs. The Bonhomme Richard served in various roles, from humanitarian assistance missions to combat operations, embodying the multifaceted nature of modern naval warfare. Beyond its operational capabilities, the ship also symbolized the strength and adaptability of the U.S. Navy. Its deployments included exercises with allied nations, showcasing the United States' commitment to international maritime security. With its advanced features and significant contributions, the Bonhomme Richard was a testament to the ingenuity and dedication of those who designed, built, and served aboard it. On July 12, 2020, a fire broke out aboard the USS Bonhomme Richard while it was docked at Naval Base San Diego for maintenance. The initial spark, believed to have originated in a lower storage area, quickly escalated into an inferno that consumed much of the ship. What began as a seemingly minor incident evolved into one of the most devastating fires in recent naval history, exposing vulnerabilities in fire safety and readiness. The fire raged for 4 relentless days, with smoke visible for miles around San Diego. More than 400 sailors and firefighters worked tirelessly to combat the blaze, utilizing every available resource to save the ship. Firefighting teams faced immense challenges, including intense heat, limited visibility, and the structural complexity of the vessel. Temperatures inside the ship reportedly exceeded 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit, further complicating firefighting efforts. The fire spread rapidly, engulfing multiple decks and critical areas of the ship. Efforts to contain it included the use of helicopters to drop water onto the burning vessel and the deployment of tugboats to spray it from the outside. Despite these extensive efforts, the blaze proved too powerful to extinguish quickly. The fire caused catastrophic damage, affecting 11 of the ship's 14 decks. Key areas, including the well deck, flight deck, and living quarters, were extensively burned. The damage was so severe that the Navy conducted a detailed assessment to determine whether the ship could be salvaged. Initial estimates placed the cost of repairing the Bonhomme Richard at over $3 billion, a sum that far exceeded the cost of building a new ship. Additionally, repairs would have taken an estimated 5 to 7 years to complete. Faced with these daunting figures, the Navy made the difficult decision to decommission and scrap the Bonhomme Richard. This decision sparked debate within the military and among the public, as the loss of such a significant asset highlighted vulnerabilities in naval operations and maintenance protocols. Decommissioned in April 2021, the USS Bonhomme Richard was later dismantled for scrap. The loss of the ship prompted a thorough investigation by the Navy, which identified several contributing factors, including lapses in fire safety protocols, inadequate training, and failures in leadership. These findings led to reforms aimed at improving fire prevention and response measures across the fleet. The incident also underscored the unique risks faced by ships undergoing maintenance. During these periods, reduced crew presence and the presence of contractors can create challenges in maintaining the same level of safety and readiness as during active deployments. The Navy has since implemented changes to address these vulnerabilities, ensuring that lessons learned from the Bonhomme Richard are applied to prevent similar incidents in the future. The fire aboard the USS Bonhomme Richard was a tragic chapter in the ship's history, but it also underscored the dedication and heroism of those who fought to save it. The efforts of the sailors, firefighters, and emergency responders who battled the blaze demonstrated the resilience and commitment of those who serve. While the ship itself is gone, its legacy endures as a reminder of the challenges faced by modern navies and the importance of vigilance in ensuring the safety of these critical assets. The lessons learned from its loss have already influenced policies and procedures, helping to safeguard the fleet and its personnel. From its role as a symbol of naval strength to its untimely demise, the USS Bonhomme Richard's story is one of innovation, service, and sacrifice. Its contributions to national security and the lessons derived from its tragic end will continue to shape the future of the U.S. Navy for years to come. Currently, the USS Essex, another Wasp-class amphibious assault ship, is the most similar vessel to the Bonhomme Richard in terms of design, capabilities, and operational role. Commissioned in 1992, the Essex has served as a versatile platform for amphibious warfare, humanitarian missions, and power projection. Like the Bonhomme Richard, it features a well deck for landing craft, a flight deck capable of operating F-35B Lightning II jets and helicopters, and facilities to support over 1,800 Marines in expeditionary operations. The Essex has been an integral part of the Navy's expeditionary forces on the West Coast, often participating in joint exercises and international missions. It has undergone numerous upgrades to maintain its relevance in modern warfare, including systems enhancements and improvements to its aviation capabilities. As a Wasp-class ship, the Essex shares nearly identical specifications with the Bonhomme Richard, making it a fitting example of how these ships contribute to the Navy's overall mission. Despite the loss of the Bonhomme Richard, the Essex and other Wasp-class ships continue to uphold the same standards of versatility and effectiveness in the fleet. Like the Bonhomme Richard, the Essex supports amphibious missions, transports Marines and aircraft, and operates as a versatile platform for various naval operations. It continues to play a crucial role in maintaining the Navy's expeditionary warfare capabilities, particularly on the West Coast. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the USS Bonhomme Richard and the tragic fire that marked the end of its service. What do you think were the most significant lessons the Navy learned from this incident? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories about the U.S. Navy and its remarkable history.